How to fix your payment method was declined on Play Store. First, you need to clear the Play Store cache and force stop. To do that, long press on Play Store and select I icon. Now navigate to force stop at top of your screen and select force stop. Afterwards, choose storage uses and tap clear cache. Now check whether your issue resolved or not. If the problem persists, follow the second step. That is, you need to come back to the setting page, and now you simply need to scroll down, navigate to apps, look for app management. Now search for Google Play services by the help of the search bar at top of your screen. Now open its app info section and then tap on force stop. Select force stop and now tap on storage uses and clear all the cache of Google Play services. Once you have followed the step, you simply need to open Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon at top right corner of your screen and select Payment and Subscription from the menu. Now select Payment Methods, and you need to remove the existing payment method and re-add it on the section. Enter your payment details again and retry your purchase. By following this step, you should be able to resolve the payment method decline issue on Google Play Store. I hope this guide helped. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.